In this video, I'm going to show you how to day trade penny stocks on ThinkorSwim. So day trading penny stock on ThinkorSwim requires speed, strategy, and a proper risk management. So penny stocks are volatile, so using right tools within TOS can help you find opportunities while minimizing the risk. So now, before trading, optimize your platform for a fast execution and stock scanning. So enable real-time data for penny stocks. So simply click the settings and then go to your profile on the upper right corner. So as you can see, we couldn't find the application settings since this is a web-based ThinkorSwim. So you'll need to download the official application of ThinkorSwim in order to edit or to redirect or go to the application settings. So assuming we access the application settings. So now select the general and then ensure real-time data is enabled for a small cap stack. So now adjust trading settings for a quick orders. Go to the setup, then click order defaults and then enable one-click trading to place order faster. And then reduce order confirmation time by enabling bypass order confirmation. And that's it. So now to find the best penny stocks to trade, use ATOS scanners to find a high potential penny stocks. So setting up a scanner for penny stocks, so you'll need to click the scan and then select hacker or stack hacker and then set a filters. So for the price, you can set a filters in that. So on with the volume, relative volume, and then for the float, and then to the news catalyst. And then after that, click scan, sort by highest percentage gainers, and that's it. So you can look for a pre-market scappers with new catalyst. Now, once you've found a stock, you can execute trades efficiently. Just enter your trade. So open the active traders, and then use the level 2 data to see a bid ask or spreads, and then enter traders with limit orders and avoid market um, due to slippage, and then set a stop loss below a key support level, and that's it. So you can sell into a strength as the spikes, and then use a trailing stops to protect profits, and then avoid holding a penny stocks overnight because it is have a high risk of dilution. And that's it. So that's how you trade a day trade penny stocks on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.